Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Carl's Garage, brought to you by Straight Outta Content, and today is an extremely special video. Today is technically my first promo video, or is it not promo? Because usually the little things will say includes promotion in this video. So yes, today's video is actually promoted by a company called Yitamotor. I'll put a link in the description down below, but they specialize in trucks and Jeeps and stuff like that. And I'll go ahead and show you guys here. Let's go ahead and show you guys here. This is their Amazon page, and they specialize in trucks and all types of 4x4 gear and stuff like that. And then they also, as I go here, they also have a website, Yitamotor, and they specialize in all types of things that you need for your truck. So if you guys don't know, not too long ago, I did a video on my uncle's 2000 OBS Chevy truck. This is it right here. As you guys can see, I did the plasti dip all on the bottom, even though he wants the whole thing plasti dip. I did buff the whole thing, so it was a lot shinier black. It hadn't been washed in 7 years. On top of that, I also plasti dipped the wheels. What else did we do? Oh, I blacked out all of this. I did try to restore the headlights, but again, they got old. And then I also did the entire bed liner, and it's actually holding up really, really, really well. He uses this truck. This is work truck, killing every day. Go check him out on YouTube. You guys know him. He's in a lot of my videos. So today's video, they sent me, I guess they seen the video, and they decided to reach out and send me some taillights for my uncle's truck. So as you guys can see, these taillights here are all old and worn out. So this box right here are brand new taillights for this truck. So I just wanted to personally thank Emily over at hopefully I'm pronouncing it right, Y-I-T-A Motor. So Yitamotor or Yitamotor. Emily, thank you so much, because she's been emailing me before I got COVID. She sent me the taillights, and then I got COVID. I was at home for 12 days, then I was in a hospital for 8 days. And then I finally got out and I had to recover a little bit, but now I'm finally recording and I'm finally doing the unboxing. So let's go ahead, let's get my knife and let's go ahead and crack into this box and let's see what these taillights look like, because I have no clue what they look like, guys. And again, also I will leave a 10% discount code in the link in the description below. So if you guys want anything for your truck, definitely check out Yitamotors. You can check them out on Amazon or their website. I'll put all of their information down below. Definitely go check them out. Hopefully we can rebuild this entire truck using their products. Okay, let's go over here, get my trusty knife. Guys, always be safe, never cutting things open. I can't wait to see what these look like. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Bam, look at these things. Oh my God. These, I had no clue. I didn't know that they were gonna match the truck. Guys, I had no clue they were gonna match the truck. I thought that they might be clear or something like that. You know, like with like the red lights, but these things are smoked out to match the smoked out truck. You gotta go get something from them, please. Definitely, like this is beyond anything that I could ever imagine. Thank you so much, Emily. Thank you so much, Yitamotors, for sending us these taillights. It's definitely gonna inspire us to continue to build this truck. And like I said, I'm looking for a truck to do my own OBS build and stuff like that, because I have a unique way that I wanna build it. So yeah, guys, these are it. Look how they come with hardware. These brackets right here. And then they also come with customer support. So if you have any issues, you can contact them. It also comes with bulbs, so let's just go ahead and take off all this plastic. Look at that, oh my God. That is such a nice tail light. It's gonna go so crazy on the truck. Like that's gonna be, oh, it's on this side. That's gonna look so crazy, especially at night. Oh my God, it's gonna be crazy. Oh my God. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how to take out your taillights. So if you didn't know how to take out your taillights, you're gonna learn how to take out your taillights now. All right, guys, to take out your taillights, it's extremely easy. You just have 2 screws, one right here, one right here. It's an old school truck, so he's only got 1 screw. It's still in there pretty tight, but let's just go ahead and take out the screw. Now, sometimes I've taken these out before, so they should pop right out, but sometimes, you know, if you've never taken them out, it could be kind of old and rusty in there, but they just slide right out. Because I took it out to clean it. So you just want to, once you get it like this, you just want to pull on this little tab and just turn it counterclockwise. His bulbs are really old. Make sure you don't crack the bulb too, by the way. 2. Place them down very gently. And 3. To the side. I'm gonna grab our new one, which I think is this one. And we'll just repeat the process. So bottom, middle, top. Let's open up the bottom. Perfect fit. Trying to fit the struggle that I'm having is there's a big side, like a little side, and a little, there's like a bigger side. It's like big, medium, small. And because, you know, it's not OEM, I gotta find the big, medium, small, and then kind of line it up. So that's really what I'm doing. And then the small is like here. I hate to say that, sometimes this happens with aftermarket parts. They just don't fit like the original, you know, like the OEM. So let me show you guys what's going on. So these ones still kind of fit loose. So as you see in the originals, you got these little tabs here that kind of lock it into place with this clip right here. But these don't have that. So this is still loose. This will still turn. This right here is supposed to stop it a little bit, but this will still turn. This will still turn. There's no locking at all. But if you notice here, let me show you. This piece right here is too wide to go in there, there, or there. Like I said, it's big, medium, small. It's too wide. This piece right here, so I could never set this in all the way. So unfortunately, as beautiful as these taillights are, they don't fit. Because this, you notice, these 2 are only supposed to go there, and then look how big that is right there. So I guess I could modify it. And yeah, I mean, I have the tools to modify it, so looks like that's what I'm gonna have to do. So let me go ahead and get my plastic welder. I'm gonna go ahead and modify this hole right here. So guys, I have my plastic welder tool here. Got it on an extension cord way over there. It's this hole right here. This hole right here, I need to just make a little wider. So I won't go into here and making it wider. I have a lot more plastic back here. So I'm just gonna open it up just a little bit so that this piece right here can fit into here. Again, sometimes if you've ever ordered anything aftermarket, sometimes you have to modify it. Unfortunately, you have to modify these taillights in order for them to fit, but hopefully the end result is a really cool looking taillight. And hopefully it locks in there once I'm able to slide this in there. Because God forbid, George drives home and one of the lights comes out or something like that, or water gets in there, because you're seeing all the dirt and stuff like that that gets in there. So if there's not a tight seal, then moisture will get in there and it'll burn your bulb out. So I'm gonna attempt this, but if I don't get a tight seal, I'm not gonna put it on his truck. That's the reason why you always start, whenever you're doing an installation, you always start with one. You never take out both, because then you have to put them all back. So I'm just starting with one. We're seeing that we have to modify it, and the other ones aren't really sealing that well. Again, these are mine. I could return them. I'm not gonna get anything for them because they were sent to me for free, but this isn't the fault of the company. This is just whenever you make new parts, things don't always fit perfectly. I still recommend this company because the design of the taillights are amazing. And if you have this type of truck, these taillights make your truck, they enhance your truck visually so well. So again, shout out to, or not shout out, thank you to Yitamotor. Definitely check them out. And we're gonna go ahead. I think my plastic welding tool is heated up. So let's go ahead and open this up a little bit. So I'm gonna be very careful because I just want to push it back. Try to get this on camera and do this as well. Very hard. Wow, guys, see, that's why you gotta value life, man. Her husband got into an accident, but he's okay. I love my neighbors. They're super kind. They were worried about me when I was in the hospital. So, all right, that might do it. Gonna try to, pretty it up a little bit because I want it to seal. Let's see if we can get rid of all this plastic right here. And just rub it in there. Because once it's weak, I can take up. Let's spread this on the ground a little bit. Clean this up. All right, so it's open. It's a little, it's pretty, I think it's wide enough. Like I said, the seal is what I'm worried about. The seal. I think it'll slide in there now, but will it seal is the question. And did I open it up wide enough? Did I open it up? How's that look? I can't see. Just a little wider, I think. I think I gotta go a little wider. I could probably try to shove it in there. But like I said, whenever I work on somebody, it fit, ho, ho. That is perfect, and it locked. Ooh, and it locked, look at that. Look at that. Now they're fitting all wanky and danky. Okay. All right, so we did it. I was able to use my plastic welding tool to kind of open up that gap a little bit. And this first top one fit in perfect. And it's sealed. Like once I turned it, it's sealed, it locked. So now we need to put in, I think this is the middle and this is the bottom. I think I lost track of which one is the bottom. So guys, this is it. They're all in. You gotta put the clamp down here. It's in there. And that thing is not moving. Like, that's not moving at all. Looks really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the truck and see what these babies look like. Ooh, that looks so nice. Look at the difference. Wow. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna jump in the truck, set my camera down so you guys can see the taillights. Okay guys, so that's it. You guys just got to see it. These taillights look, and they actually function amazing, and they look crazy. Look how they change the look of the truck. Like, that looks modern, sleek, sexy. That looks raggedy. So, without, stuff falling, without further ado, let's go ahead and make this side look like this side. Look at that. It looks amazing. Both sides done. I think I'm gonna do a little water test. I think I'm gonna rinse the car off, wash it, and then see if they still perform after a little water's been inside. Taillights are wet, still work. Everything still works. I know it's drying. That was just a rinse. I just put some soap in a bottle. But George, I don't know how you don't like your truck. Just a shiny black. It's so crazy. But trust me, it's going back to being ashy right now. So guys, that's gonna be it for this Carl's Garage video. The truck came out great. The taillights look amazing. I'll take a bunch of pictures. I'm pretty busy tonight. I got the live I gotta do for the Wilder Fury 3 fight. Let me go ahead and turn off the truck. Yeah, guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Huge shout out to Yitamotor. Hopefully I'm not murdering your name, Yitamotor. And again, all the links for the all the links will be in the description down below. Also, don't forget, you get 10% off if you use my code. That link will also be down there as well. Huge shout out to Emily. Thank you for being patient with me. I just want to take 2 seconds out just to say thank you, because you sent me the taillights. I got sick, ended up in a hospital, recovered, and you were patient. You still allowed me to shoot this video. So I truly, truly, truly thank you. They are an amazing company. The taillights look amazing. I had no clue they were gonna send, that's probably like $150 taillights. I had no clue they were gonna send taillights that looked that good. So I'm really excited about that, happy that they did that. With that being said, the truck is done, totally complete, and I will do a night shot. So you guys know, please hit that subscribe button for more car content. We're gonna be building this truck a lot more. And then, like I said, I'm looking for an OBS Chevy to build for the channel. Or if not an OBS Chevy, then just a car, period. But I really want a truck. With that being said, that's it for this video. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. We truly appreciate it. And you guys know my slogan. I'm hungry, I'm starving, but I'm about to go take a nap. You can hear it in my voice. I'm still dealing with COVID. But again, right now, we're gonna go ahead and show you the night shot. All right, guys, it's nighttime. I'm here with George for the reveal to see what the lights look like at night. You guys really can't tell how good it looks at night, but it just looks crazy. Like, it really like finishes the truck.
Oh yeah, I like that.
How you like them?
I like that.
Because you said you had a set too, right? Were they clear?
Yeah, no, they were like that.
They were like this?
They were
okay.
Dark. They were like that, yeah. Nice.
I like the way it looks on a truck. I know the company wanted to see what it looks like at night. This is them at night.
At night, you go.
That's the brake lights. That's the turn signal. Turn signal.
Yeah, baby.
Yep. Yep. So that's it, guys. That's it for this video. As you can see, I changed everything because we're going live tonight. Make sure you guys go subscribe to Killing Every Day. Make sure you guys subscribe to Straight Outta Content for more stuff. Shout out to Yitamotor. I keep pronouncing the name wrong. I apologize. Emily.
I appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Emily, don't crucify me. Don't crucify me for ruining the name. But guys, listen, you get the 10% discount code. It'll be in the description below so that you guys can go and purchase anything from the website, get the truck stuff, anything you need for your truck or Jeep or anything like that. And that's gonna be it, guys. Hopefully they don't flag me for this music playing in the background. Peace.